Sounds good. Okay, thank you, Jared. Yeah. Yep. Bye. Wow, look at this, everybody. Neil's gonna be going on this. How do we get over this, Neil?
Let me show you my other game.
He's gonna show you another game.
Yeah, this is.
Wow, what is this one?
This is a good bike. That was a motorbike. This is a track.
Wow, look at that jump you just made. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, keep going. This is the second lap.
Yeah, this is the second track.
Do you have more games you can show us?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Almost game over, right?
Yeah.
You lost, it said. Okay, let's start again. Another game? Do you have more games? What's your next favorite game?
This.
What is this?
This is the video. Watch this video.
You have to watch this video. This video is a cool one.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
A bad boy.
People, wow, look at that motorbike.
The answer differs for
Dirt
every
bike.
rider. It's complicated, but it's a simple question. Why? Why do you ride? Is it a competitive hunger burning deep within? Riding is not simply riding, but racing. Better, faster, stronger, unbeatable, invincible. Is it the rush of adrenaline, pushing the limits, cheating death, or achieving the impossible? For some, the chance of achieving greatness is much too tempting. Is it the money, the fame, the cameras of the crowds? Or is it the solitude and escape from everyday
I
life?
don't have to go to YouTube. I can just watch this.
Nice video. Keep sitting, okay? You won. Great job. That's it. Now let's stop it. Let's stop the recording.
Okay.
Okay.
And now can we record again?
Wait, I said stop the recording, right? And I'm trying to.